Hi everyone, I am so excited. Today I'm going to share with you this wonderful Kate Spade clutch. It actually has a purse strap that you can wear it over the body as well. But let's go ahead and get started. First of all, this clutch I actually got about a year or two ago, but I haven't used it, so it's still kind of brand new, so I can still show it, and it's still awfully cute. And it actually came, when I purchased it, in a bag with pretty tissue paper and everything, but that was too big to show on my studio table. So I took that out, and it's still in the protective bag. And it says, "She tucked her coral lipstick away and floated back to the party. Kate Spade, New York." So cute. Okay, let's take a look. And here we go. So as you can see, this is the Cali clutch, and it says "Jazz Things Up." Let's see, we can do it right here. Can you see? Jazz Things Up. There it is, Cali. Okay, so it's super cute little clutch, but it also has this very long strap that you could wear as crossbody or over the shoulder. The actual kitty cat face right here. Let me see if I can get it. It's very furry, very cute. Has blue little sapphire-like eyes and eyelashes, sparkly ears, and a pink little nose with whiskers. In the back, of course, it says Kate Spade, New York. And what's so cute about this is you could actually wear this out in the evening or during the day. It doesn't look too young. It's very sleek, and it's got the kitty cat whiskers, and it's got some shine to it. Very cute. I love this bag. Okay, and so when you open it, it has a magnetic button. So see how it stays? Very nice. It has a firm hold. And then she has her beautiful satin blue lining with some little words on it. "Be curious and playful and strong." All kinds of fun things. Okay, inside there is another little spade right there for Kate Spade, her emblem. A place for you to get your credit cards or business cards really quick. And there's a zipper pouch right here. You could actually tuck some money in there. Here is the care card that tells you how to take care of your cat Cali. And what I love about this is here are the straps, but all you have to do is off. Oh, it's tied around the ticket, but it can come off as well. And then you can have the clutch. Or if you want it back on and you wear it over your shoulder or crossbody, you just take the little clasp and you put it back on. This is adorable, sleek. It's not too young looking, and it's so soft. Absolutely love it. Okay, so here's this bag, and now I have a little accessory to go with it, and I cannot wait to share it with you. It comes in this pretty pink box with the Spade ribbon, New York, orange and pink. Everything's always wrapped so nice. I don't even want to open it. I want to keep it just like this. So, but we'll open it. Let's see. Here we have the nice green and white striped paper, sticker, and guess what I got? Kitty cat phone case. How exciting is this? Okay, this phone case is for my iPhone 8 Plus. It also goes for a 7 Plus. And here it is. It also has the little pink ears and a shiny little nose. It's pink with the same whiskers. Live colorfully, Kate Spade, New York. And then here you can put your driver's license and credit cards. Okay, so let me get my phone. I hope no one calls me during this time. Okay, here is my phone. There's my little black and white kitty cat. And we're going to snap it in. And there we go. How cute is that? So, let's put this in here. So I have my bag, and I see a picture I want to take, or someone calls me. I pull out the other kitty cat. There's my kitty cat. And then there's where I can take my pictures, and it stays protected. And this also has the nice magnetic clasp. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this Kate Spade purse and accessory unboxing. I am so excited now that I've actually shown the purse. I can actually start using it tomorrow, and my new phone case. Thank you, and meow. Bye-bye.